What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. What up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel.
Hey vlog fam, I got red interior and my wheels are clean.
What's up everyone? Fiance's on the channel. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing a 2022 recap. I'm gonna insert a bunch of my favorite clips from last year. 2022 was a huge year for the channel. I think I put out like 60 or 70 videos. So I'm gonna play you guys a highlight reel of all of my favorite moments. Shout out to everybody involved, especially the vendors who have worked with me on my F80 as well as on my channel. So really quickly, I just wanna give a shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber, Active Auto Work, Souvenir, Euro Customs PR, WTF Motorsports, Mashimaro, Your Custom Parts, and you can't forget my boy Ben, the GOAT, the BMW technician who has helped me alongside all of our friends, you know, with BMW related questions when we get stuck on installs. So shout out to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this recap video. I had a blast, you know, editing it. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. 2023 is going to be a great year for both me and you. I wish you guys nothing but success, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Yo, that last one.
Oh my god, these soccer moms are gonna fucking kill you. Ooh, Camry coming in hot.
We gotta get out of here, everybody.
We gotta get out of here. I'm gonna rev it for Danny. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, go.
Yo.
Literally so.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see by the title, we are doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Just wanted to start this video by saying thank you to the OGs, to the new subscribers, to the homies that have been supporting my channel, even if it's just dropping a like or leaving a comment. Shout out to you guys for watching. I'm super humble and super thankful for 5,000 subscribers. I can't believe 5,000 of you guys or even 1,000 of you guys wanted to watch my channel in the first place. 5K is just a number. It is a milestone for sure, but after 5K, there's 10K, and then it only gets bigger from there. 20K, 30K, 50K, 100K. Just wanted to interrupt today's video to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that is Simply Carbon carbon fiber. So first and foremost, I want to thank Simply Carbon Fiber. They sponsored so many of the videos on my channel, and making videos like this wouldn't be possible without sponsors like them. So huge shout out to them. Do me a favor, guys, check out their website, use my code FH10 and you'll get 10% off your order. And I wanted to showcase my Simply Carbon Fiber sunglasses for you. I love these things. I've said it so many times, I wear them on the daily here in Florida. And then also, you know, my iPhone 12 never leaves home without the Simply Carbon Fiber phone case. This thing is absolutely amazing, keeps my phone protected, and has for a couple months now. So go to their website, it'll be linked in the description below, and cop yourself something for the new year, new you. But again, thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring this video as well as the channel. And now let's get back into the recap.
We are going to take a look at the seats together in the daylight. Yes, sir. Your boy has red seats. Let's go. Yo, we are back with the car. The wheels look sick. Here we go. Let me show you guys what we're working with. We got the polished lip and the clear coated face. Damn, that looks so sick. Changes the whole look of the car.
Today's the freaking day. We're picking up the HREs today. Can't freaking wait. This has been a long time coming. You guys ready to see it? In 3, 2, 1. Look at that. It looks so aggressive. Murdered out like this. All black, everything. I am in love. Absolutely love it. Looks so damn good. Yo, I'm so hyped about this. I've said it before. The steering wheel is probably one of the best mods that you could do to the car. And then what we're gonna do now, which you guys will see on the screen anyway, is click flash. Press here to flash now. And we're going stage 2, baby. Here we go. We're about to go under my favorite bridge right now. First time Sport Plus stage 2. Here we go. Holy shit. Yo, it's a night and day difference. Hold on to the camera.
That's nice. That's nice. That's fast. That's nice.
Korea House, F80 Skirt, Thousands, Shrug Media, The Daily Driven.
Used to be F80 Gold.
Used to be F80 Gold. What are we doing today,
I have
Kyler?
no idea what I'm doing. Eating a bunch of food.
One stock egg right here, baby.
I'm blessed.
I'll look like this forever though. You know, Asians don't cry.
Yeah. Bags. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're actually gonna be watching part 1 of BMW Invasion. The event, the rally, everything was so fun. I met so many people from YouTube, Instagram, put a face to the build, so it was an incredible, awesome event, awesome weekend, had such a blast. What time is it? What time is it? It's too early time, yo. This is the BMW Invasion.
Pre-meet before the meet.
The pre-meet before the meet. This is the inside setup. F80, I think, is as good as it's gonna get. I just gave it another wipe down, even though I washed it like yesterday and the day before. But you guys see it here shining under the light. The wheels are glistening. It's gonna be a long day for sure, but gotta help the Invasion guys out. But yeah, car is looking so clean under the light. Yo, all the way down from Jersey. My boy, F80 Louis with the CS. What's going on, boy?
What's up, man? How you been?
Good morning. Welcome to the channel, finally.
Yes, sir.
What we have on the channel,
This guy over here.
it's a vlogception, baby. We got my boy F80 Corey on the vlog. It's my hometown
boys?
hero.
Good to see you guys.
We play COD with each other, we do a
Yeah.
bunch of stuff, and now it's finally good.
We both own F80s.
Both own
You know what I'm
F80s.
saying?
He's kind of Asian.
I am Asian, just not as Asian as BS.
Hey, my boy Jays. It's a vlogception going on.
Yo, what?
Yo. My boy Jay. Island vibe, island vibe. Yeah.
Batman thing.
Now it's good to finally meet in person.
So the whole thing was, I got maybe an hour and a half of sleep,
Yeah.
and it's been utterly chaos, but fun chaos. You know what it is? If you see the line out there, it's just insane.
It's
the amount
insane.
of the BMW community that's out here having a good time.
Yeah.
V8's been helping us out.
Yeah.
Dude, hit this like button and kill it, please. But I
Same
appreciate
here,
it.
man.
I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
You got the wrong wheels on now. You don't have BBS on.
Chill.
Creative.
Yeah. from? What's the IG and what car you drive?
Alright, I'm Jerron, Smooth F80 on Instagram.
Me and him been homies for a while.
Yes, sir. We always talk since
Going
the
back and
F30
forth.
days.
My day one homie. What's your name? Where you from? What's the build? What's the IG?
I'm Jason Scott. We should go see it, honestly. I'm Jason Scott. I am from New York, but I was out in Cali, and now I'm in Atlanta, but I came down to Florida.
What's your name? What do you drive? Where you from?
So my name's Dallas. I go under Unworthy Motors, Instagram and YouTube.
Where are you? I need to call the fire department. I need saving. This is insanity. This is literally insanity. I'm fucking dying right now. Yo, this crowd is rowdy. That's all I gotta say. Yo, this dude has a flame tune and I want it. He's from Jersey. It sounds so good. Furious M4. If you're watching. So sick. I want one, yo. This crew is rowdy. Having a blast though. Haven't stopped smiling. Yo, this is an OG Instagram group right here. Skirt, Jay Scott's, F80 Corey, and then Michael right here. Cars with Keith. Ken, my Asian brother from another.
Just Keith's car, bro.
Yeah. Back on the channel. My fucking guys
We're out here.
from the last video. You already know. Every time we collab,
Breaking records, man.
we're breaking records.
I'm breaking necks.
We're about to do the first reveal with you guys. I got the camera set up in the front.
Ready?
You guys get my reaction in the back. Damn. Ew. You guys see it on the vlog cam? Oh my god, dude.
It's like glass, right?
Doesn't even look like my paint. Looks like literal glass. Like
See the hood, how the hood is like with different lights.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
Like straight black, and then when you get close, you see it.
yeah. Holy shit. I wonder if you guys can see this. You killed it, man. You killed it, you killed it. Love to see my boys eat, that's all I gotta say. I say it all the time, but I love to see my friends and homies succeed in what they're doing in their life, in their careers. Shout out to you, man. Good for you, happy for you. F80 Caleb, what's up? Here we go.
Wow, this is actually a nice car to drive, man.
Yeah,
It's
right?
way different from the driver's seat.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna wait a lot more faster.
Yeah.
I like this car, man. Now Caleb from Hands On Detailing. I'm a mobile detailer in Central Florida. I'm 19 years old. I've been doing it for around 2.5 years now.
So big kudos to him. I think big things are coming for him in the future. Caleb, my man, thank you for coming out.
Anytime, brother. I
Yo,
appreciate you coming.
again, he's 19, killing the game. He's gonna be killing the game for years to come. Yo,
Go fast, Sonic.
has to. Look at these two. What the?
You put it in her food, man.
Mascots are enjoying the weather.
Best in Orlando right here.
Let's go. Danny, what do you think about Caleb's job?
I've never seen my car cleaner than this. Like check this out. I don't even think I've seen my paint until this day. You gotta hit this man up. Like, subscribe. Y'all know
Like,
what to
comment.
do.
Yeah, y'all need to start subscribing, man. Subscribe to the boy.
already, bro. That's all we need. We don't need much. You can just feel it from just that. Like,
yeah, that was great.
that's a wrap. Chris, Congrats on the level up, bro.
Thank you.
That shit is clean. This is crazy, guys.
What we do for the vlogs.
We do for the vlog. Shout out to my boy Chris, man. This is crazy. Chris, shout out to you, my guy.
Oh yeah, shout out to my dad.
Shout out to your dad. Moment of truth.
The big day, boys. I have
What do we have? What do we have?
the biggest mod for my F80 today, and honestly, probably the craziest mod that I'll be doing to this car.
All right.
All right, boys. We have my new to me BBS FIs. These wheels are crazy.
I got the dash laid out. We got the boys here. Let's go. All right. My boy Ben, back on the channel.
Yes, sir.
What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Tell the people, fill them in.
Today we are going to be taking VS M3 and we're going to be making it just a little bit more luxurious.
If you don't have a heads-up display, you know who to call.
Don't hit me up.
3, 2. Yo, you guys see the yellow glare? Damn, those are legit yellow. No amber, no white and yellow. Those are legit yellow. So mean. Yellow and black always go good together. I have such a huge smile on my face right now, like between the audible click of the new paddle shifters and like the exhaust note and just how clean my F80 feels right now. It's a good freaking day. Dude. This looks crazy. Oh my god, with the red guts popping through, it looks so aggressive. That hump is freaking sick. This is one of my favorite mods that you could do for the F-Series, like I said before. And it's taken me almost 3 years to actually do it to my F80. So I'm super happy that I finally pulled the trigger.
Yeah, there she is.
Oh shit.
Wow, let's go. That is my car, boys. That is my car. Holy hyped. I'm so hyped.
Let's go. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, hit the bell, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.
Like and subscribe. Peace.